Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this math expression 4 divided 2 bracket 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and then 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Yes, this is incorrect. When you have given division, then bracket, then addition, that means multiple operation. If you have given, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also called PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So this rule helps you to how to start the question. So here first you have to solve the parenthesis e here exponent, then multiplication division both have same priority but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly addition and subtraction have same priority but you have to solve it from left to right. So let's solve this expression by using PEMDAS rule. So first solve the parenthesis. So rewrite the left out terms 4 divided 2. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and there's a multiplication sign between. Now we have two operations left, that is division and multiplication. So we already discussed that both have same priority but still we have to solve it from left to right. So 4 divided by 2 times 2. 4 by 2 is 2 and 2 by 2 is 4. So what is the correct answer? 4, not 1. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.